Welcome to Izzy's Lunch. We're going to do a quick tour. So, coming in the door here, you can see our number 4 sink, the pot washing sink, and the drain board. This is the back window. And over here, a panini maker, the front driver's seat, an ice maker, and the serving window and counter. Another panini maker, the front door, storage cupboard, place to hang coats and aprons, and another fridge, the freezer looking towards the back, the kitchen area. Underneath here is the burner elements. Behind, coffee makers, the double sinks. One has a dishpan. And then quickly whizzing around again, the oven, under sink storage, some drawers, decent flooring, another storage cupboard, electrical panel, hot water heater, a little cupboard, room for the frying pan on top, and looking at the fridge. Back here in the prep area we have some extra things stored, toasters. Looking in the well-stocked fridge, ready to make lots of paninis. And a freezer, got some buns ready to go, and the back window covered with foils. It's hot back there. And here we have the prep table. Underneath is where the generator is, and some storage. A little storage here on the side and above. And around to the hand washing sink, which is where the RV bathroom was, with the toilet taken out, making it acceptable to the health region. And then just a long shot back to the front.